Good morning, mga kaayos! So, it's a special day, guys, and it's, a special day. It's something to be celebrated. I want to get everybody first a happy Valentine's Day, especially to those may mga jowa. No, I'm just kidding. Not just only for those with jowa, but of course, also for those singles out there, for those no boyfriend, no girlfriend since birth. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Alright? So, it's still a celebration for everybody because you have your family, your friends, your sisters, your brothers who are untiringly, loving, supporting you. So, it's still a Valentine's Day, guys. It's still a reason to celebrate Valentine's Day. So, it's because it's special. So, you deserve something special. You deserve to eat something special. You deserve to buy something special. And you deserve to do something special. And I deserve something special today because I just got my order from Lazada. So anyway, guys, again, it's going to be my third vlog, and in this third vlog, I am going to unwrap my order from Lazada. But before that, guys, I have here someone special who wants to get everybody and who wants to say hi to you guys. So there, my baby! So she wants to say hi to everybody and she wants to get everybody a happy Valentine. Tarang! I'm so excited to unwrap the order. And before I open the order, guys, before ko siya i-unwrap, I have first to take a picture of this because this is a proof that, purchase something from Lazada. If may defect or may damage yung item, pwede mo siyang ipa-refund and Lazada will ask you for this airbill. So before you open your order, guys, it's very important to first take a picture of this airbill. Okay? But anyway, I'm done. And let's open or let's unwrap the order. Are you excited? Well, I'm so excited. Now, I am going to open the order, guys. And there. Oh my God. So, let's check the first item, okay, of this order. So, here is the first item, guys. Actually, I ordered 2 jackets and this is one of the jacket that I ordered from Lazada. So there, guys. Tara! So this is one of the order I got from Lazada. I actually bought this, guys, from RRJ. I've been a loyal customer of RRJ. Kasi lagi akong bumibili sa RRJ kasi lagi siyang naka-sale. At hindi lang siya basta-basta na sale. Naka 50% sale, naka 40% sale, even 60% sale. At saka parang everyday siya nagsi-sale. And there is no bad naman with their items because I already ordered before. At ang ganda ng quality ng mga items nila. So here again, I ordered and there, ang ganda. So I ordered this jacket because I am thinking when I go back to Cebu City and return to office, work in the office, and I can wear this one, right? Pwede ko siyang suotin. So let me try. Let me fit, guys. So this is the first item. Ang ganda niya, in fairness. So there, guys, you can see here. There. Diba? Ang perfect. I love it. I love the color. It's black. Black is my favorite color. I love plain colors, especially dark colors, especially black. Or, it's okay, even white. I love white. So there, guys. Diba ang ganda? Perfect for, kung malamig ang panahon, kung nagiginawan ka, it's so perfect, guys. There. So, this is one of the jacket I ordered from Lazada. It's RRJ. Diba? Ang ganda. And for the second item, I have here another jacket. So, it's gray color. I love gray color. And it's also perfect for, you know, malamig ang panahon, kung giniginaw ka, or if you have to go somewhere na malayo, or you know, travel somewhere, then it's perfect. It's very perfect. So, there. I love the fitting. There. You can close this portion. And there. Diba? Ang ganda. So, that's the second item I got from RRJ Lazada. Now, let's move to our third item, guys. So, those are my 2 jackets I ordered from Lazada. So, for our third item, guys, I have this jogger pants. I ordered this jogger pants. It's black color. Diba, I said I love black colors. So, I ordered black color also for jogger pants. And for the size, I ordered size 31 to 32. It's medium size. Medium size, it's 31 to 32. So, there is so, there, guys. So, that's my jogger pants. I love the cloth. Makapal siya. From upper to lower. There. 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 I love it. I love this jogger, guys. Napaka-affordable at saka napakaganda ng quality. I am not into, expensive, mga mamahalin. Mas prefer ko yung yung mas nakaka-less ako. Kasi depende naman depende sa pagsusuot, depende sa pagdadala. Even though it's expensive, but kung hindi bagay, hindi makikita ang worth ng item. Hindi makikita ang worth ng isang bagay kung hindi mo alam paano dalhin, kung hindi bagay, 'di ba? So it doesn't matter kung expensive or not, as long as bagay, right? And the third item, guys, I got from Lazada is itong slipper. And this is going to be a gift for someone. I will give this to my partner, guys. So I bought him a pair of slipper, and it's blue color. There. And it is it's size 10, guys. So, kasya to sa kanya. Pag kasya sa akin, kasya sa kanya. So, ayan, guys. So, those are the items I purchased from Lazada, from RRJ, and I'm so happy because, naka-less ako, nakamura na ako, at saka, ang gaganda pa ng quality ng mga item, di ba? So, that's something make me happy. So there, guys, here are the items I purchased from Lazada. So the black jacket, the gray jacket, the black jogger pants, and the slipper. So there, these are the items I purchased from Lazada, from RRJ through Lazada online shopping. And I love all the items. Napakaganda ng quality, napaka-perfect fitting for me, and yeah, I will order again soon. So, thank you guys for watching my vlog, my third vlog, and I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, mga kaayos, for watching. You take care, and happy Valentine's again, everybody. Enjoy and celebrate your Valentine's, a memorable one. Bye-bye, and thank you, guys.